Now, a lot of people get confused around the difference between a brand and a trademark. A brand is actually, it's a set of perceptions or expectations. So it's something that the consumer or business partner, etc., really thinks about when they see either your brand name or logo. It's almost a promise of quality, and so your reputation will depend on how well that promise is kept. So a trademark is a legal concept. A brand is a marketing concept. It's it's the holistic way that you are perceived in terms of the color palette, what emotions come up for a customer. Are you high end or more budget friendly? It's all of those things that are around trying to build up, your customer avatar. Really, it's the way that they're perceiving you. Brands have a considerable value. Now, this is an old slide back in 2018, but as you can see, the value of that Amazon brand was 150 billion back then. So it's considerably higher now. And these are just, the whole gamut of the brand assets, the name, what people think of when it's sort of those particular companies. As I said, the purpose of branding, it's to differentiate, but also to communicate to your customer. You'll recall this particular ad, and it was like, I'm a PC, and he's, the conservative sort of nerdy guy, and the Max, the laid back cool guy sort of thing. And a lot of people really related to that ad. You've got your Mac and your PC. Business names are something completely different again. The name in which an entity conducts business, required as a legal obligation for consumer protection, is called a business name. And so you get your business name through ASIC, you get your trademark through IP Australia. Registering a business name provides you no protection whatsoever from preventing other people using that name. The only way to do that is if you register your business name as a trademark. Domain names, just very, very quickly, they're allocated first come, first served. You don't have to match your trademark, so you can, sometimes it's necessary to sort of do abbreviations and things like that. Owning a domain name does not equal the right to have trademark registration. They're two completely different things. As I said, there are means to take on squatters if it's obvious that they were registering those domain names in bad faith to try and extort you for money, etc. There are obviously different ways in which you can try and enforce those things as well.
Hey, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We help people just like you start your own successful business, selling things online, whether that's through Amazon, Shopify, eBay, whatever it may be. We've got the tools that you need to help you succeed online. Whether you're a complete beginner or indeed a professional making millions of dollars, we can certainly help you. By the way, we've helped over 2,500 people right now here in Australia, as well as right around the world. We've got sales in our members community of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out how we did that and come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link is in the description. That's aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, and I will see you on the inside.